Hello everyone. Today on the menu I will show you how to make this gorgeous chicken pepper soup. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing and hit on that notification bell. My name is Hope and you're welcome to Tasty City. For the list of ingredients, we'll be needing some hard chicken, and I highly recommend hard chicken for this recipe because it tastes so delicious. Next, I've got 2 red or purple onion bulbs, half of a red bell pepper, some garlic cloves, ginger, and 1 habanero pepper. In here is my frozen scent leaves, also known as nchwangu or efere. But if you have the fresh one, then you are good to go. So because my scent leaf is frozen, I'll be adding parsley. But if you don't have parsley or scent leaf, then you can as well use basil or baby spinach. In here, I've got 1 tablespoon of dry thyme. This is totally optional, but it does make a whole lot of difference. Try it and leave me your feedback in the comment section. In here, I've got 1 tablespoon of blended pepper soup spice, and I have a video on how I made this, so I'll link it down below in the description area. We will also be needing some crayfish powder or blended crayfish, and here with me I'm using 2 tablespoons. I also have some chicken seasoning powder, but you can also use the cubes. And lastly, we've got some salt to taste. To begin, I'll blend the onions, red bell pepper, habanero pepper, ginger, and garlic alongside with the thyme and frozen scent leaf. So I'm blending the scent leaf because mine is frozen, so I just need a taste. But of course, if yours is fresh, you know you don't need to blend it. Just add it almost at the end of the cooking for your garnishing. And I'll also be blending the thyme because I don't want to see it as well in the soup. I just want to taste it. Once I'm done cutting the onions, I'll transfer them into my blender and repeat the same process with the red bell pepper. And the red bell pepper here is just for color and it is totally optional. Into the blender goes the garlic as well. And I'm using just 1 habanero pepper because this is so spicy, but however, feel free to add the pepper according to how much heat you can handle. And at this point, I'm just chopping up the ginger so that it blends well. Next, I'll add the frozen scent leaf and thyme, then add a bit of water and blend till smooth. Now that we are done with the blending process, we're going to transfer our washed chicken into a clean dry pot. And next, we are going to season with some salt and chicken seasoning. At this point, I'll add some of the pepper blend mix, then reserve the rest for later use. I'll be adding just a 1/4 cup of water to this, then mix very well to combine, and then we're going to allow this to cook on a medium heat for exactly 15 good minutes and get very tasty before we add in more liquid. After about 15 minutes, at this point, we're going to be adding enough water to cook the chicken till it is soft. Hard chicken does takes a lot of time to cook, so please make sure you add enough water to cook the chicken till they are nice and soft. And this step should take about 20 or 25 minutes thereabouts. While that is cooking, I'm just going to quickly chop up my parsley and set aside. Now that the chicken is soft and almost ready, at this point you want to add in your pepper soup spice and blended crayfish, then mix well to combine, test for seasoning and adjust if needed. My seasoning is perfect, no need for adjustment. So at this point, I'm just going to go ahead and pour in the blended mix we reserved earlier, and I'm going to cook this for additional 5 minutes. Our chicken soup is ready and it smells incredibly amazing. So now we will finish up by garnishing with some chopped red bell pepper and parsley. So once the pepper and parsley is in, you just want to mix well to combine, then turn off the cooker because your chicken soup is ready. Alright lovely people, so that's it for today's video, and I hope you enjoyed watching me make this delicious chicken pepper soup, and I also hope you give this recipe a try. And if you like this video, please go ahead and click the like button, and if you are new to my channel, consider subscribing and also hit on that notification bell. That way you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you all so much for watching. Until I see you next time with something delicious, stay blessed and bye for now.